yeah, that's really what it is. Somebody is asking how do they get the dispute letter. So since you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you guys have all of my dispute letters, all the letters that I use. All you have to do is look under disputes, and then you'll be able to see all of the letters that you can use to start disputing the accounts and your credit reports. And also, since you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you guys also have access to get help. So say if you want me to send out letters for you because for some reason you don't want to send out the letters, I can start sending out the letters to help you, especially if you're working right now, you're so busy, or say like right now I have a lot going on. Honestly, you guys, I have to cut some stuff off. Like I'm not doing this and that. And that can be one of the things like, hey, I'm not worrying about the credit, but I'll let Rickita worry about it. You know, if you want us to send out letters, we can actually send out letters for you. And since you're part of exclusive membership, it's actually free for you. So yeah, all you got to do is look at a dispute. You will see my dispute letters. And then also, I believe I'll make sure I drop the link below for you guys too. Don't forget to, if you guys see this on YouTube, because I'm going to share it on YouTube afterwards, but you guys don't have it. But a part of exclusive membership, you'll see it down below. I'll make sure I tag it where you can see all of the dispute letters also, and where you guys can sign up for the credit. But we kind of talked about that earlier. Okay, so someone said that they would send out dispute letters and the original creditor removed it, but then the collection company added the account on. They sent out a certified letter, but they never responded back. What should you do? So if you did this, say you sent out a letter to the original creditor, say that's Capital One, right? Capital One, they take it off your credit, right? But Capital One sold it to another company, or another company had it, like LVMV Funding. And LVMV Funding, you sent them a letter and they just refused to respond. They haven't responded at all. What I want you to do is I want you to take your tracking information, take a copy of that letter, and send a complaint. Do a Better Business Bureau complaint, do a CFPB complaint. Just go all out and send them another letter letting them know that you may have to sue them if they do not remove this account from your credit reports, because they were required to respond back and they did not respond back. So go ahead, send complaints in, letting them know too that, hey, I sent them a letter, the original credit removed it. Now this company, I asked them to verify the debt, and they're not verifying that, and they're not removing it. I want you to take control of it. With the Better Business Bureau and the CFPB, they'll help you start removing that account from your credit reports. But that's really like your next step, is just to send in complaints and then send them a follow-up letter to that collection company and send that certified.